All right, continuing from part one, this is part two. We're going to go ahead and section off what we did from part one. This time, we're going to do a rotation of 180 degrees around the origin. We're going to do it to the same pre-image. So that we can do everything on the same graph, we'll just do this one in a different color. Or if you don't have different colors, you can just label it. So we're going to, again, we're trying to find A prime, B prime, C prime. We're going to do it the same way, except this time when we rotate it around our origin, we're going to go 180 degrees. So the Y, instead of ending up here, it's going to end up down here when we're done. Place it, rotate your entire sheet. This was 90 degrees, and this is 180 degrees. And do the same thing. Read the coordinates straight off your graph from where your pre-image is now. So looking at our graph, we can see straight from our graph, A prime is left 2, down 2. B prime, left 3, down 4. And C prime, left 4, down 2. Go ahead and add these to our chart. So that was left 2, down 2, left 3, down 4, and left 4, down 2. And this time we'll graph them in a different color, so we're using orange. Alright, so go back to our graph. Left 2, down 2 for A prime, left 3, down 4 for B prime, and left 4, down 2 for C prime. So go ahead and label each point. That was A prime, B prime, C prime, and connect to make your triangle. Label this one 180 degrees. Go ahead and drop the columns in your chart again. Section this one off. And this time it's going to be for a rotation of 270 degrees around the origin for point X, comma, Y. And you're going to, again, A prime, get A prime, B prime, and C prime. We're going to do this one in pink, again, so we can keep using the same graph. Okay. We're going to do it the same way. Place our pen at the point, pen or pencil at the origin, and then we're going to rotate it 270, which means our Y is going to end up over here where this X is. We can either go counterclockwise 270, or we can just go clockwise 90 degrees. We'll end up with the Y at the same place. We'll just go clockwise this time, 90 degrees. Alright, so we'll go 90 degree clockwise, the same as going 270 counterclockwise. So now our Y is over here, and we're going to do the same thing. Read it right off of the graph. So it looks like for A prime and B prime and C prime, this time when we read it off, we can see that for A prime, we're going right 2, down 2. For B prime, we're going right 4, down 3. And for C prime, we're going right 2, down 4. I'm going to add this to our chart. So now on our chart, we have right 2, down 2 for A prime, right 4, down 3 for B prime, and right 2, up 4 for, oh, that was not up, that was down. Alright, so that was right 2, down 4 for C prime. Alright, so let's go ahead and graph that. Alright, right 2, down 2 for A prime, right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 1, 2, 3 for B prime, and then right 2, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4 for C prime. So go ahead and label. So this was A prime, B prime, C prime. Connect all your points and label this one 270 degrees.